So this is what's going on in Florida. It's like pulling teeth to get liquor gas. Over there, it's only diesel that they're selling. That's why I see all trucks over there and some crazy cars trying to go inquire, I guess. But over here is one of the very few gas stations that actually have gas, and they're trying to do it in an orderly fashion. So we're in one line over this side.
Since what time?
And since we're in here like 30 minutes now. Yeah, and over there is another line, so they're alternating between this side and that side. You see me? But it is serious. We have driven to multiple gas stations since morning, and most of them are closed because I assume they're out of gas. So yeah, and like the Obi said, he hopes it's a case of just better to be safe than sorry, but that we don't really actually need to be in this predicament where, you know, we would have been able to say, yeah, I'm glad we got filled up, because now everything is a shamble. Hopefully the hurricane doesn't come, but it's good to prepare. So we're in this line waiting on our gas.
We are prepared. We are preparing. The storm a keep, and we have to prepare for it.
Storm.
Hopefully we get in soon.
Yeah. Where next? No,
after the white car.
alright, so yeah.
So we're thankful. Our tank is full. Yeah. Ready to do this thing, you know. I promise you. Yeah, I feel good about that. I have to go call my brethren them and tell them say look a gas down at the side there. If them want to come through. As we prepare for this disaster, let's hope that it don't come, and all of this exercise that we got through was in vain. Don't it say? Remember me tell you. We're driving through the neighborhood, you know, on the verge of this storm system, Hurricane Irma. I see some whole heap of stuff where is a no-no, and I mean I can't believe say people are so, I not even know if ridiculous are the word. Like for instance, people are put out garbage. I mean tons of garbage them are put out outside on the road. Glass, mirror, all them something that people are put out on the road, you know. I mean say how stupid is that? You have a Cat 5 hurricane coming and you decide say I go put out mattress, glassware, beds, bedroom set. Like really? Isn't that gonna be used? The storm not gonna stay that and used as a projectile? I mean I don't know. Just people just pray. You know, pray for South Florida. And when I say pray, I talk about people who believe in a God. Because some people only pray when disaster, and as soon as the disaster is averted, they don't remember nothing about God. They don't remember nothing about the Almighty. You know, that part there really rough. So pray, you know. Pray say things work out, it will work out, and everybody get where them to get done. Rain fall upon everybody, and who fix save. Yeah. Post office locked down. Shutters down, preparation on. Yeah, so pass by down by the church, you know. Make sure it's everything placed board up, window them shut up, and thing. Whether the property is a little bit large, so to make sure that everything is everything, you understand? Yeah man, put in the bus them underneath the shelter, yeah, so make sure say, you know, may I show you after the hurricane too when we come back down here, you know, see what go on. Yes, I want all my families and friends to be safe during this hurricane thing. Everybody were in a South Florida. Just take care of yourself. Right now, me I look out on the clouds and now the day and nice. And know say God still in control. You see the day nice and beautiful. Yeah, and in just a couple of hours, in just a few little time, it's gonna all change and get, rough and wild. And that's so life stay. You understand? So now it's after what, 3? But after 3 now. And my landlord just come finish board up. Me and him board up. Me sweat and look like pig. But we put on some of them something up on the house. Yeah. And put down the shutter them. Him said the roof is fairly new, so we might not sustain no roof thing. Those are my family right there. My wife and my sister.
Hey, hola.
Let me interview them. How do you feel about the storm?
Well, there's a song that says, "Ride out your storm."
She's
And that's exactly what I'm doing, riding out the storm.
She are riding.
Yes.
there's a poem that says, when the storm of life shall rage.
Stand by me.
No, but for real though, we not take it lightly, If you look around we, a lot of the house them round we not really do nothing. You understand? We have a big old tree there right there, so we have to, the tree there. We have to watch it. You see me? Some of the people them callous, I promise you, because they wouldn't take up even nothing. Everything that, my neighbors over there, I go help them this morning. Them have a roof leak, so them put on top on for them house with sandbag, and then them try to nail down the edges of the top. But I know with real breeze it not gonna last. The houses around me. Our area is not flood prone, so we really and truly are worried about wind damage, and debris and them thing there. So, but my neighbor next door, because I'm living in a duplex, we make sure our house batten down too, and then our house also batten down. So we just do our best. I keep on updated as to what's going on with this hurricane as it progresses. So this is part 1 of Hurricane Irma landfall South Florida. Yippee! is your Irma reporter reporting live. The storm is blowing. Look. Shh. See? Shh. Oh no. It's blowing hard. It's blowing. Oh no. Oh, rain from God.
Hey guys, it's channel 19 News today, and as you can see, it's getting dangerous out here. I mean, the leaf is gone. Its whole branch flew away, and it's the apocalypse now. So, just stay in your houses, go in your basements, and don't even come out until next year, because the world's gonna explode.
What a dope. Woo! Woo! Hey, y'all hear that, boy? Hey, boy, that man's scary, boy. That man's scary. I'm finna go in the house now, though. I'm about to go back in the house, so, I'ma holler at y'all, though.
You know, as we're preparing for this storm on the hurricane watch, you know, something comes to mind that I really want to talk about right quick. I wish that all our religious TV stations could go live instead of having recorded programming, so that we can get news, real-time news, but with a religious connotation, a religious background to it. You know, it's so hard to watch the regular news channel and see them, you know, talk about the storm and overemphasize the tragedy. When you're done watching news, you feel so fearful. But if we have a news anchor or a reporter on the street who would give us the news in real time, but always give us an assurance of God's grace, give us some religious connotation to it, we would feel much better. So this is a video for the religious-based TV station. Do something about it now. Get some live news. So it's just after about 6:30, and we have no power. The storm is keeping outside. It's very, very stormy.
Yes, power in the blood.
We have power in the blood and power upon stars.
I will dress just in case.
Yes, tell them about your dressing. Tell them.
Him make we dress just in case. We have to escape.
Guys, me tell her, I say make we put on clothes, not have on pajama and something there, just in case.
We have to walk out into the breeze.
We have a march.
Just in case we have to leave into the breeze.
Me never said I have to leave in a breeze, you know. Cause if storm keep and the house tear off, we can't go nowhere in the darkness.
You know what,
next thing something fly in our eye and liquid.
You know what, when the news people them come, we say we have nothing. Everything mash up. Nothing.
So guys, bear with us in this storm. Joshua, you okay in the dark room there? We have to turn on the light, cause we have light here, so. Yes, I'm not even pull it out of the package.
The flashlight are dim.
The flashlight there, we neighbor give the flashlight there. Me lock off the light and show you. See the, see the flashlight that we neighbor give there. She was very helpful. You see it?
We have nothing.
So, guys, just be safe. Well, it's redundant because now see this after.
Lose your Wi-Fi.
Oh man, yeah, because I don't want to lose Wi-Fi.
So,
let's stop vlog right now. But as I said, the storm I gonna keep till maybe the next 6-7 hours. We are gonna get the full intensity. Well, it not reach we yet. Right now it there Key West, guys. Key West is about 4 hours from where we live. So we're in for a rough day. What about Sunday, the whole day gone into Monday before we clear this the intensity part.
Jesus. You hear that?
Every,
No, sir. I wanna.
Them here for
the transformer, them must. A rubbish. I don't know what.
Me hear rubbish pan a banging but it's not moving, it just trying to
At the
resist.
top, because me open the top for full it of water, so maybe at the top of the rubbish pan. Hopefully it not tear off. But I could see what going on, you know. The God is good and his mercy endure forever. It's Sunday, so about 11 o'clock or so we're gonna keep church. Because we are Christians and they know we are Christian by our love.
Where to keep?
It's keeping right here.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, we're keeping church right here. So, because when you have nothing, you have Jesus.
You have everything.
You understand? Right. So, hot callaloo dog. So it's just about 8 o'clock now. And it's still going on bad. May I tell you, from this morning until now, it's going on bad. You can't really see nothing outside, but the storm is still raging on. I think it has passed Florida now because we lost health service and everything. But we're just checking, for the south door and come and need some breeze because inside hot. My neighbor them out there and, some people are walking outside, but we just looking and seeing what's going on. It's not safe to be outside, so I'm not even try that, But I just again a little bit of update. Tomorrow morning, when we go on more update. Yeah? Remember me tell you, it's going bad. You hear the storm? You hear it? You hear it? So if me not show you this, I don't not believe it. But me I add up some soup. Yeah? See? I'm stirring now. I'm gonna have my pot. I have my pot over this here, so. Yeah, cause a Saturday night and the storm I keep. May I vlog. The storm I keep right now. And I make sure say we get some warm something in our body. So my soup here. I'm stirring right there, so. And we are warming up the soup. The only problem is that I have to stand up and hold it. But it's warm. And the storm is raging out of door right there. Yeah. So where there is life, there is hope. Watch my soup now. Watch my soup. Soup is cooking. Yes. And storm is keeping. So it's the morning after, guys. And we finally got through the worst of it. We just come look. The neighborhood is funny because some people in the neighborhood have light and some don't. They have electricity and some don't. That's the funny thing. Morning! So I'm going to under the 360 degrees. Yeah, the landscape look a little bit different than it did a couple days ago. But God is good. It's just about maybe 6:30. Yeah, and this tree took a pounding. Some of the branches come down, but it hold out. It not totally gone. Yeah, coconut tree over there, so. And thing never look to coconut. Any coconut there? Any coconut there? Yeah. See, me tell you some more on the coconut from long time, guys. Oh, this one burst.
This one burst?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that one burst.
Yeah, that burst. Thanks so much. Yes, man. See? That whole bunch come down there. See one whole bunch there?
We from the islands. We gonna make all he wants.
Yeah.
Oh, yes,
See
sir.
there? Pull up there. Yeah, pull up on that. See if we can get out any of that over there.
We from the islands. We can make all he
Yes,
wants.
they don't understand.
I can tell you that.
Thank you, girl.
I got to get the trolley now and take it home.
Yes, big sure. Yeah, man. Thanks so much. See me get me 2 coconuts. So one here. Yes, me get 2 coconuts. We can share up. Yes. That's how you do it. Storm keep. Make you say. and thing. Man, so that's the update. We have made it through Hurricane Irma. You see from the start to the finish, you know, God is good. Because had the storm come give us full impact, we would not be here right now. I promise you. The circumstances would be greatly different had God not been merciful. We're sorry for the other people them who's struggling. You want to run? Go over there. Go over there. Go over there for more if you want. We're sorry for the people them who are struggling in the islands. So my sister gone the Canada, she come from and say she gone hustle the people in Coconut with her thief himself. So as I said, guys, continue to pray for us. We don't know what's going on. You see, in my neighborhood, my light is connected and it runs through these trees, and because it runs through these trees, I think what happens every time something happens, these trees mess it up. So some people have light, electricity, some don't. But this side is pretty clean. It's only down this side where the trees are that, you know, extensively you see damage. But we're glad that we are alive, and we're glad that we're well. And the storm keep and it done, gone somewhere else. To God be the glory. Hey, continue to like, share, subscribe. I'll try to drop the video as soon as possible. Like, share, subscribe, big up, comment, do everything. God bless you know, each and every one. Remember, cook and live and laugh, and cook and eat. Yardie belly says so. Peace. So we're just driving around now to survey, you know, the damage. This is one of the main roads. Yeah, we just look what one on the thing, you know. We have a couple trees down. We have some electricity. We have powered wires down. Yep, but that's what it is like down here in SoFlo. Look at this.
Wow. Bruh.
Whoa, mama.
Sheesh.
Shoo. Fence is down. But for the most part, people are okay and picking up the pieces, you know. People not they're not too worried. People just do what they want to do, you know. Yep.